come to fly for the show. I drive up, I get greeted by a bunch of knuckleheads slinging, looking like toilet paper roll to get their quad out of the tree. Where? Are you serious? None of you knuckleheads are gonna get that shit up there, dude. You gotta climb the tree.
Yep, that's about where it's at.
Right
on
up
my
there,
finger.
the tippy fucking top.
Exactly.
That tree is like 70 feet. It's like 60 something feet, man. I mean, it's way up there.
You want to tell me what the that was?
Not an Olympic. We could turn this into an Olympic event. What are you using to get this quad out of the tree?
A half-drank bottle of water, unrated cord.
Perfect.
Yeah, it has to be half-drunk because then you can tie it like this.
It's going up for the long toss.
You suck!
Goes for the high toss. And it's going to be a no-go.
You melt your finger when the cord slides out of your hand. That's a flying finger. I need that.
Glad you specified what that finger was for, man, because the way you were moving it.
For, right?
Checking my prostate. Representing the U.S. for a second attempt, Mr. Ed Ricker. Goes straight up and straight down. He's going to take his mulligan. Yes, in quad retrieval, there is a mulligan. He's counting. He's going. Oh! Gonna suck some more. Third attempt. Straight up and got the low branch. Artistic. Little do we know, this is his third attempt with me watching. Ed Ricker selling this on his YouTube channel. Ed Ricker. World's worst, shittiest quad retrieval device. You can get in the back of a Walmart dumpster. Oh, shit. I'm glad I moved. Again, you can get this apparatus at Ed Ricker's YouTube channel. $74.99. Someone's got to pay for this freaking DJI stuff. Up it goes. And he says, screw the rope burn. I'm a man.
That is why you fail.
This is what failure looks like, folks. Destination is where they are. World looks like when it's football. He is still trying to get this dumb ass thing out of the tree.
Now, you guys know this.
I ain't helping shit. I'm recording. Thinking. All right, here we go. Yeah, which one are you gonna get now? There's one. The other one is still stuck. Oh, and the winner with the heel kick at the end with a high five goes Mr. Ricker. They have retrieved both quads. Yeah, that's a win for the UK. We got to give it up right there. Get you some.
Time for a cup of tea.
He won. He got them both back. UK for the win. With a little help from Mr. Ricker in the US and coach over here, Mr. Rue. What was that? Was that Rue?
Break some more shit. Let's go.
All right, let's do that.